Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I am from Jobs in Sydney, Australia from sydneyclassified.org and YouTube page. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get jobs in Sydney and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So guys, in this time now I am showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job. Accountant required in Sydney. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Accountant required in Sydney must have 2 to 3 years of experience in accounts payable and receivable for residential construction company. Elant Homes is an Australian owned and operated company specialized in residential building for first home buyers, and Dream Homes Custom Build is a parent company that specializes in custom homes. We are looking for an accountant to join our team who enjoys working with clients, providing them with the guidance and support necessary to make their dream home a reality. A candidate who can create a stronger relationship with customer and trades. Our established construction firm is growing is a clientele, and we have an excellent opportunity for an experienced accountant to join our team of professionals. We are offering a competitive salary commensurate with experience, along with outstanding benefit packages. This is the perfect opportunity to build a career at a leading residential construction firm. Reporting directly to the managing director. Tasks and responsibilities include job and responsibilities: full functioning of wages, accounts payable and accounts receivable for all trades and customers, including assisting with resolving any AP and AR issues. Manage all taxation practices including BAS and PAYG, payroll tax, etc. Completion of daily transactional and month and financial tasks. Completion of monthly management financial reports. Manage all insurance across the business. Manage all financial for the business. Manage financial management reports and frequent audits. Manage P&L, balance sheet, cash flow, etc. Oversee month and ending accounting. Implement process improvement aligned with financial trends. To be considered for this position, you must possess the following: strong experience as an accountant across all financials, previous experience working in the construction industry, experience working with the different company structure, trust, outstanding communication skills, written and verbal, energetic, enthusiastic, responsive, and highly adaptable, hardworking, self-motivated, and focused on the continuous improvement, attention to detail, working knowledge of MyOB and essential, data build is an add-on. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So guys, accountant required in Sydney. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated CV to this email address. So guys, you must have a previous experience in relevant field, minimum 3 years experience, and you must have a graduate in relevant subject. Then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, salary and other benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many other categories job available in the website, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply. So guys, these link given in the video description on YouTube page, and also new jobs links available in the description, so you can directly apply. So guys, first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply any job. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process, so it's very easy. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So friends, thank you. Thanks for watching.